Last Saturday, my sister had made fruit salad along with her students. This activity was routinely carried out every second week, called a cooking class. That is lightweight and easy to do and does not cost a lot.
Incidentally, last Saturday he made a fruit salad. This event is very exciting. All students enthusiastically want to participate. Some fell the mango, pear, apple, and the other, and so cut the fruit and grate cheese. So in this event, they are very struggle one by one because they want to participate for that.
Today is very hot. How about you?
Yes, I think so. You have idea?
I don't have. How
Wait,
about
wait, please wait. Yeah. How about us make a fruit salad?
you? That's a good idea.
Okay guys, and now we will show you how to make the fruit salad. Are you ready, bro?
Ready?
Okay. First prepare the fruit fresh and clean. There are pear, apple, pineapple, dragon fruit, lemon, and grape for topping.
Okay, and then for the material we needed a grater, spoon, knife, a cup, cheese, milk, and last mayonnaise. Okay, for the next step, peel the fruit skin. You take this.
Okay. For the peel, not too thick and not too thin, like this. Okay. We will cut to part. And then this here. Okay. This is the green. Okay. Okay guys, after the fruit salad like this, the next step, cut the fruit like as your taste.
Okay.
Okay guys, try. Take your knife. Yes.
Not too big and not too small, like a dice.
Okay, be careful ya.
We cover your hand because it's not very sharp.
Okay. The fruit is fresh. Yeah.
Okay, after that, put the slice of fruit into the cup. Okay.
Okay, like this here. Apple, pear,
Mix.
and then pineapple, langon, and then this.
Dragon fruit.
Oh, okay, be careful, Bray. Okay, okay. Okay, like this here. Okay, Bray.
Okay.
Okay, after that, add the mayonnaise and milk.
Milk. Yeah.
Yes. This not so. Yes. Enough. Okay. Good. Okay. And then
Milk.
add meat. And yes, grate the
Cheese.
cheese. Okay, let's
Use the
fruit. Okay, bro. You can eat. Cheese.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Like this to create the cheese with the grater. Right. And then the crab is for the topping. Okay. Yeah. Can't forget the cheese. Okay.
Finally, the fruit salad ready to serve. Enjoy this.
Thank you very much and
See you again.
Mami Alicia.
Delicious.
Okay.